Treasure Island, California, taking a look at the new DJI Phantom 4. Let's take a walk.
Right now, this drone is flying itself. The Phantom 4 boasts a number of improvements over the Phantom 3, including a bigger battery, higher top speed, and a sharper onboard 4K camera. There's even a new sports mode that boosts the drone's speed and performance. Even more impressive is how smart the Phantom 4 is. With active track mode, users can train the Phantom 4 onto a subject and the Quadcopter will follow them, keeping them centered in the shot, even if they move around. And that's not the Phantom's only new trick. It improves on the older model's optical sensing system by incorporating active obstacle avoidance. When the drone notices something in its flight path using its onboard cameras and sonar sensors, it will automatically slow down, then fly over the object if possible. Now, don't expect the Phantom 4 to go zipping around like a speeder bike on the surface of Endor, but it will help prevent you from running this $1,300 flying machine headfirst into a tree. Plus, with the tap fly feature, you can direct the drone to anywhere within camera range simply by, you guessed it, tapping on the controller screen. With a flight time of nearly a half hour, combined with its increased intelligence and performance, the Phantom 4 looks to be a solid choice for both neophyte drone pilots and professional photographers alike.